Contractor family, I wanted to reach out and talk to you guys during these crazy, unpredictable times. We got all this coronavirus madness going on right now, and as a roofer and as a contractor, I bet you guys are pretty concerned with what's going to happen to your revenue over the next unknown period of time, realistically. And so I specialize in insurance restoration, and I think you guys should consider that. So you guys are walking over insurance deals every day, all the time right now, because you don't know how to recognize it. Now consider this. If you're a roofer in Toledo, Ohio, or really anywhere, the average residential roof is probably somewhere around $15,000. The average consumer right now is going to be much more reluctant to take on $15,000 of debt or write you a $15,000 check because of the unstable economy and the unknown future. So generally speaking, you can get roofs through insurance companies, and all the homeowner has to worry about is their deductible. So what about if you could tell the homeowner you can get them a new roof for the cost of their deductible, $1,000 instead of $15,000? Imagine the likelihood of the amount of people that are going to get a roof if all they have to spend is $1,000. And so right now, guys, you got to think outside the box. I mean, believe me, I hope this doesn't last any longer than absolutely necessary. But at the end of the day, we don't know how long this is going to last. I don't want you guys to lose, your livelihood over this. And so, especially if you're at home right now, I don't know what's going on. Maybe your kids are home, you're spending more time at home. One of the best things you can do is educate yourself and put yourselves in a better position to think outside the box and give your clients more information. Down below, I'm going to put a link to my YouTube page. I've already done like 100 or 125 videos that goes over the insurance restoration business. Take some time, watch those videos, put yourself in a better position to, stabilize your income stream in your business. And I help contractors with this entire process. So while you're at home not doing anything, get off of, your Netflix binge, give me a call, and I'll show you how I can help your company today to help stabilize yourself and your company tomorrow and maybe for many years to come. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Relax, please, okay? This stuff's gonna blow over. Stop freaking out. And in the meantime, if you're worried about your incomes in your business, I will help you. That's what I do. I love roofers. I love contractors. I love small business. I'm here to help. Watch my channel. Love you guys. I'll talk to you soon.